welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you 2-step anti-aging skin tightening, body massage and body scrub that will help to remove wrinkles, laugh lines, age spots and make you look 20 years younger than your age. The first thing you have to do is make your neem oil for body massage. Once you use neem oil on your skin to massage your skin, it will improve your skin and make it healthy. Just wash your neem leaves. Get neem leaves and wash it thoroughly. After you have washed it, please gently crush these leaves. Crush it very well. Once you have done, add half cup of coconut oil to this and put it on a low heat. Do not boil, let it be low to extract all the necessary nutrients, and strain the oil to get your neem oil. Neem oil is very good for body massage to improve your health and make you look healthy with a glowing skin. Neem oil helps to remove dark spots, age spots and make you look younger than your age. After the first step, then the second step is anti-aging body scrub. This body scrub will help to remove all kinds of age spots from your skin. Add 2 teaspoons of green tea. Green tea is known to remove wrinkles, laugh lines and also improve your skin. And the next thing is vitamin E. Vitamin E capsule. You can use 3, you can use 4. Add your vitamin E oil to the green tea you have just added. Once you have added this 4 capsules, you can make use of 3. It depends on how many you have. Then add 2 teaspoons of raw honey to it. Honey helps to moisturize the skin and heal the skin properly, also remove wrinkles. And add your coffee, 2 teaspoons of coffee. Coffee will help to remove dark spots and also brighten your complexion. After adding this, then add a skin tightening property, which is aloe vera. Get a fresh aloe vera plant and extract the gel. Aloe vera helps to tighten the skin and restore skin elasticity, which will also remove wrinkles from your face. Then mix those ingredients properly well. Mix them well. Once you have done mixing, please gently use these ingredients and remedy on your skin. Use it to scrub your skin to remove dead skin cells and also remove age spots from your skin. Wash it off after 30 minutes. Those anti-aging body scrub will remove wrinkles from your face. Green tea helps to remove dark spots and it also works wonder on our skin and make us glow without blemishes. Like this video, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you on my next upload.